Hey, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Oregon. Up for sale is my 1986 Yamaha FJ1200. It's a rider. It can also be a project as well if you want to restore something. Seems to be a pretty good base. I'm not an expert on these bikes, but I'll just show you what it is. And I can tell you I've had it for several months, and I ride it. I enjoy it. But this one's gonna go. So I'll just do a walk around, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. Has 48,762. I don't know if that's original or not. I don't know enough about these bikes to be able to tell if somebody's replaced that. Show you all the good and the bad as I can. You know, it's not in perfect shape. Just a nice fun rider. The choke has been changed to a throttle choke, or whatever you want to call this. And I know things have been changed there. It works. Could use a good polishing. Looks like a little crack there. I think just a really good polishing and cleaning would help a lot. Maybe some new decals. We'll go full out and do a repaint. Little boo-boo on the seat there. It's repairable. That's my trickle charger there. Alright, start up so you can hear it. I can tell you on cold start it does smoke a little bit and it tends to burn out. believe the gas gauge is working. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested, let's talk. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.